Hello and welcome to Craft Hour with Nat. Today I'm showing you how I made my Keith Haring earrings, which I am wearing right now. I was wearing them in my last video, although unless you watched very closely, you never would have noticed them. This is what they look like. I assume that since you saw the video thumbnail, you also knew what they looked like, but they are probably my favorite earrings that I've made. I made them the same way that I make almost all the earrings that I know how to make, which is just bending jewelry wire up with little jewelry tool things. So today I'm going to show you how I did that. I think it's important that I show you the inspiration, like where I got my inspiration to make these, because I definitely did not invent this specific shape for an earring. So it all started with me seeing this Pinterest post, which I couldn't for the life of me find anything other than Scandinavian handmade goods, and when I clicked on that website it didn't take me anywhere. So I really would like to give credit where credit is due. So if anyone knows where those came from, put it in the comments and I will put it in my own video comments so that I'm not ripping anybody off. But I saw them, and since I couldn't figure out where to buy them, I thought, well, okay, I guess I'm just gonna have to make my own. So I did. Since I already have this shape, I'm gonna make a different one. I think I'm gonna do this guy, who I also think is very fun. That's what I'm gonna be doing today. You can just go onto Pinterest or Google or wherever, just search up Keith Haring earrings. That's how I found this last one. I looked it up on Pinterest actually. So you can find that shape if you much prefer that little dancing guy. Do whatever you want, but enjoy my earring making process. Okay, moment of truth. These are the originals. How will the new ones stand up? We will see. Also, these are just a little bit awkward to get into your ears. This is what these ones look like. Although I made these over a year ago, so they're a little bent. Like this guy's hand's a little skinny. They're extremely, I didn't realize how similar they were till just now. I might be giving these away. If this is your first time doing this, I would recommend using a narrower jewelry wire, like a thin wire. It's so much easier to manipulate. Also, if they're not facing the right way, like I see this one's kind of hitting me in the face a little bit, I literally take it while I have it in and just take the wire and twist it the direction which I want it to go so that they hang a little better. Okay, this one's a lot more dangly than the other one, so it hangs down a lot more and it moves a little better, which is, I mean, it's not like it makes it an officially better earring, it's just a different kind of detail. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.